Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is write first letter of the picture. KG1 class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is cap. This is a cap. The initial letter of cap is C. Sounds like K. K. Cap. K. Cap. Now students, here we will write the letter C like this. The next picture is dolphin. This is a dolphin. The initial letter of dolphin is D. Sounds like D. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. Now students, here we will write the letter D like this. The next picture is alligator. This is an alligator. The initial letter of alligator is A. Sounds like A. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. Now students, here we will write the letter A like this. The last picture is bus. This is a bus. The initial letter of bus is B. Sounds like B. B. Bus. B. Bus. Here we will write the letter B like this.